Unlocking the magic of primary helping verbs. Hello there, language lovers. Today, we're delving into the core of English grammar. We're exploring the magic of primary helping verbs and how we can use them in different tenses. So, buckle up as we journey through the fascinating world of verbs. Primary helping verbs, also known as auxiliary verbs, play a vital role in English. They assist the main verb to express tense, voice, mood, and aspects. The primary helping verbs are be, have, and do. Examples: I am running. Am is the primary helping verb assisting the main verb, running. You have finished your work. Have is the primary helping verb assisting the main verb, finished. They do not understand the question. Do is the primary helping verb assisting the main verb, understand. How do these primary helping verbs function in different tenses? Let's find out. 2.1 Present tense. In the present tense, be takes the form of am, is, or are, depending on the subject. Have and do can be used as is, but do often becomes does in the third person singular. Examples: I am writing an essay. She has 2 cats. He does not like spinach. 2.2 Past tense. In the past tense, be changes to was or were. Have becomes had, and do turns into did. Examples: we were at the beach yesterday. They had a great time at the party. She did not attend the meeting. 2.3 Future tense. For the future tense, will or shall are used before the base form of be, have, and do. Examples: I will be traveling next week. You shall have completed the assignment by then. He will do the dishes later. Remember, the choice between will and shall can depend on formality, certainty, or sometimes regional language norms. So, we've seen how our superhero primary helping verbs, be, have, and do, change in different tenses. They truly help convey the correct time and aspect of actions. Understanding these auxiliaries will make your English much more precise and natural. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. Remember, mastering a language takes time, but every step you take is progress. Stay tuned for more English grammar magic, and until next time, happy learning.